Hi, I just wanted to take a minute to show you when you have your hair dryer and I was smelling burning. First of all, my cleaning lady dropped it, and so I had to glue it back together because the hot air was coming out the handle. And this was actually an epoxy glue that can take heat. You have to get it at your hardware store or probably Home Depot or something. And then in here, I discovered it was too plugged up, so I opened it up and then cleaned it out with like a Q-tip and then blow it out with forced air, just air like you use for your computer. And then today it was smelling. So what I had to do was unplugged, make sure it's unplugged, take a little makeup brush that we use for your eyebrows. And because one of the coils in here looked like it was burning and something was on it. So I took the little scrub brush and I scrubbed in here. Then I blew it out again and I turned it on and it worked. So that's what I'm just showing you, fixing your own hair dryer if it's burning smell.